everyone, welcome to our kitchen. It's time for Cooking to the Bible, where we bring famous events alive with food.
Today we're recreating one of the most famous meals in the Bible, and when Jesus fed over 5,000 people with just 2 fish and 5 loaves of bread.
That's right. Today we'll be making our own simple version. Buttered croissants and seasoned fish fillets.
And maybe we'll see if we can just feed 5,000 or at least the 4 of us.
Before we get into cooking, let's start it the right way, with the Bible, of course.
When Jesus heard what happened to John, Jesus left in a boat. He went to a lonely place by himself, but when the crowds heard it, they followed him on foot from the towns. When Jesus arrived, he saw a large crowd. He felt sorry for them and healed those who were sick. Late that afternoon, his followers came to Jesus and said, "No one lives in this place, and it is already late. Send the people away so they can go to the towns and buy food for themselves." Jesus replied, "They don't need to go away. You give them food to eat." The followers answered, "But we only have 5 loaves of bread and 2 fish." Jesus said, "Bring the fish to me." Then he told the people to sit down on the grass. He took 5 loaves of bread and 2 fish, and then he looked to heaven and thanked God for the food that he gave them. Jesus divided the loaves of bread. He gave them to his followers, and they gave the bread to the people. All the people ate and were satisfied. After they finished eating, the followers filled 12 baskets with the pieces of food that were not eaten. There are about 5,000 men there who ate, as well as women and children.
Here's what we got. We got flour, eggs, 4 croissant rolls, oil, salt, pepper, seasoning, squeezed lemon, fish, and plenty of faith.
Just like the boy in Matthew's story who shared what he had, and we're using what we've got and trusting it will turn out great. If not, maybe a delivery miracle will happen.
Okay, first step. Let's season the fish.
Smells like it's about to feed 5,000 taste buds.
Okay.
Chef Natasha, what's your secret ingredient?
Gratitude, and maybe just a pinch of garlic. Basically, Jesus and seasoning, perfect combo. We rolled up the croissants.
When Jesus fed the 5,000, it wasn't just about food. It was about the faith that came with it, and filled hearts too, and maybe stomachs too.
Okay, lemon of chew. Everybody take a piece.
Oh my goodness. I don't know.
This is so good. I like the fish more than the croissant, but I can just eat more. So what you doing? This is so good. I just can't. Oh my god.
8.5 out of 10.
Huh? 5 out of 10?
8.5.
I love how cooking this, it reminds us that Jesus can make something so small and make it more than enough.
Sometimes all it takes is just sharing your blessings. And if it's food, kindness, or time, do not hold back.
And if it's fish and croissants, invite us home.
Thanks for watching, and remember to share your blessings!
Hello everyone, my name is Uzziah and I'm the director of this production. We're currently behind scenes of... Hello, my name is Uzziah and I'm the director of this production. We're currently behind scenes of recreating the meal of the story of when Jesus fed the 5,000 with just 5 loaves of bread and 2 fish. This experience for me was very fun. I've learned so much of video production and the people who work in that field and what they do. So yeah, overall it was very fun. This was actually put together by the students of West Palm Beach GA Academy. And speaking on their behalf, I believe that they also had fun and they also did learn, and they were very happy and content of what they put together. If you did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe and share to others. Thank you.